Jamaica, watch this.
Afraid. Me I tell you, 'cause me I see a different person is come for me, you know, for kill me and know for real.
Afraid because he's convinced he's been marked for death by the police. The young man claims the threats came straight from the proverbial horse's mouth.
And tell my father say, each one must stay my baby mother. Each one must stay my baby mother. I tell my father say, I'm lucky say, oh, then take me for under so. Because if they didn't come catch me there, so they'd kill me.
He believes the frightening case of mistaken identity stems from these posts. This is Javon Sims, a man wanted by the police in St. James since last year in connection with murder and escaping custody. Weeks ago, Javon Antonio Sims's picture and name started circulating in relation to the same offences. Javon from Clarendon says he was never in prison, which necessitated him escaping custody, nor is he tied to a murder matter. Javon says he's a construction worker who works daily with his father, which is why he and his father immediately went to the Mapen police station to get the matter clarified. They got this signed document from the Clarendon police declaring Javon Antonio Sims is not a wanted person. But he says that has not stopped the police from targeting and terrorizing him.
You should be doing now come exactly in our house now and question me and tell them my name and something. The same time they must say, oh, me then come for me, I show them people now saying them and say me already go up to the station because we know so this one come board, so make sure go up to the station and get my name clear. They kill me because that then come for the car, then you see a most wanted man then come for. So if when me are getting the paper, then I really want the paper and that like that same way.
He pointed to alleged acts of intimidation and unprofessionalism days ago when the police detained him and was transporting him from his house.
And then now the police them know, then they have one buckle in the car and one of them ask me say if we know grandma's one, if we ever drink grandma's one, you know it's sweet. And tell him friend like he say, my dog, beg if you know grandma's one, I give a boy and then he take up a buckle and show him say empty. Which I never seen in a buckle, but he say grandma's one.
The whole situation, he explained, has turned his life upside down.
It put me in a difficult position because everybody you see me, they want to run for me and say me a most wanted man. And then I want me run. Enough of my friends them still don't want me run them and something. They might call police and tell them say like that. Like for instance, say you see me pass through here, then call police and tell them say they see me or something.
Javon says he's not a wanted man. Instead, he only wants to provide for himself and his family.
I have 1 year old son and something there. And I look back into the thing that boy me have to cry and something there.
The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has been notified of the matter. The young man says he will also report the matter to iProbe.